What I used to do, it was a bit naughty. I used to get the books and then I used to hide them behind really fat encyclopedias because I know no one would go there to look for them.
One word that comes to mind is safety. They're a comfort blanket.
In 2020, I was diagnosed with dyslexia, and it kind of just validated so many feelings I'd had while reading the books, being like, this makes so much more sense. It just makes me feel so much more like comfortable with who I am because I had Harry Potter to kind of stick with me while I was trying to figure out like why was I struggling, and it made me feel much better.
Acceptance is a big thing. Accept yourself, love yourself, and forget about what people say. And I think that's a huge thing to learn from the books.
You can always be a main character in your life, but then without your friends and the people that you love, you're not really going to get to that end destination.
It's truly inspirational because you just feel like you're part of a world.